our topic is all about how to convert a temperature in degrees Celsius to degrees Fahrenheit and vice versa. So, first, let's identify what is Celsius. So, Celsius was named after the Swedish astronomer who is Anders Celsius. So, the boiling point of Celsius is 100 degrees Celsius, while its freezing point is 0 degrees Celsius. While Fahrenheit was named after the German physicist who is Gabriel Daniel Fahrenheit, which has the boiling point of this unit is 212 degrees Fahrenheit. 212 degrees Fahrenheit. While its freezing point is 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, on how to get the formula on how to convert the temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit and Fahrenheit to Celsius, is we need to use ratio and proportion first. So, in order to get the formula by ratio and proportion, Celsius minus its freezing point, which is 0 degrees Celsius, all over its boiling point, which is 100, minus its freezing point again, is equal to Fahrenheit minus its freezing point, which is 32 degrees Fahrenheit, all over its boiling point, which is 212 degrees Fahrenheit, minus its freezing point, 32. Then we can cancel this one, so what's left is Celsius over 100 is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32, all over 212 minus 32, this will be 180 degrees. So, we can cross multiply this one. What's next will be, this will be 180 degrees Fahrenheit times Celsius, multiplied by Celsius, is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 100. Now, to get the formula on how to get the Celsius, we need to eliminate this 180 degrees Fahrenheit here in the left side. So what we need to do is we need to divide both sides by 180 in order to eliminate this 180. So what left will be Celsius is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. Pardon. So what's left will be Fahrenheit minus 32 times 100 over 180. So we need to simplify this 100 over 80 into its simplest form. So this would be C is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32 times 100 over 180, and its simplest form is 5 over 9. 5 over 9. now rearranging this one, this will be T Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied to Fahrenheit minus 32. So now we have Celsius equals to Celsius is equal to 5/9 multiplied by Fahrenheit minus 32. So this is the formula on how to convert the Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. While in order to get the formula on how to get the Fahrenheit, if the given is Celsius, now we need to think a solution where we can eliminate this fraction, this 5/9 and this negative 32. So what we need to do is, first we need to eliminate first this fraction, which is 5/9. So in order to eliminate this one, we need to divide both sides by this fraction. So this would be Celsius divided 5/9 and this would be divided 5/9. So this will cancel this fraction. Now what's left is Celsius over 5/9 is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. So divide 5/9. This would be in elaboration would be C over 1 multiplied by its reciprocal, which is 9/5 equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. So cross multiply, this would be 9/5 times E is equal to Fahrenheit minus 32. Now in order to eliminate this negative 32, we need to add both sides by 32. So this will become plus 32. So become plus 32 and here plus 32. So this will be 32 plus 9/5 equal to this will cancel negative 32 plus positive 32 is equal to 0. Is equal to Fahrenheit. Now rearranging the equation, this will become Fahrenheit is equal to equal to 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. Now so Celsius is equal to 5/9 times Fahrenheit minus 32. It's minus. While the Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times Celsius plus 32. So suppose we have this problem with say convert 45 degrees Celsius and 2 degrees Fahrenheit. So what we need to do is simply substitute this 45 degrees and 2 into this in this formula. So Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5. Fahrenheit is equal to 9/5 times Celsius, which is 45 degrees Celsius plus 32. So this will be 100. So 9/5. So let's elaborate this conversion or this formula. So this would be 45 times 9. 45 times 9 is equal to 405/5 plus 32. So F is equal to 405/5 plus 32. So simplifying. So 405. So by using syntax, we will first divide this one. Syntax, which is first we need to further first execute the parenthesis, and then next is exponent, and then multiplication, then division. So what's next is division. So we will first divide this one. So 405 divide 5 is equal to 81 plus 32. So Fahrenheit is equal to 1 plus 32 is equal to 113. 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Let's given another problem. For example, we have a problem here. Convert now if the problem is convert the problem is convert 56 degrees Fahrenheit to degrees Celsius. So our given formula is Celsius is equal to 5/9 times multiplied to Fahrenheit minus 32. So this will be 5/9 times Fahrenheit, which is we have given here 56 times 56 minus 32. So simplifying 5/9 So 56 minus 32 is equal to 24. Now 5 over 9, 24 times 5, that would be 120 over 9. So 180 divided 9. Then that would be 13.13 degrees Celsius. So that's all for today.